Welcome to Canal Residence313, one bedroom, fully furnished apartment in 90k. This is the entry passage. As we enter, we have a powder room, nice and spacious. That's the living room, 8 in length and 7 in width. Here is a 4-seater with a good sofa as well. TV unit. Opposite to it we have kitchen. Kitchen comes with big gas range, white and brown interiors. There is a space for dishwasher. So it's 1 BHK with a dishwasher space and space of big fridge as well. That's the balcony. Canal view. Here we have a good 6-door walk-in wardrobe, a sun-filled bedroom. After keeping side tables as well, we have good space out here. Fresh air window provision and 2 windows which will give you access to balcony. These curtains that come along with it, it's pretty dark. This is the way to curtains for day and night time. Entry to a washroom with bathtub and good storage space with 1 sink. Thank you.